time it is? When you see this bonnet, what time is it, Rose Zae Fam? What time is it? I'll let y'all know for new people that's around here. But anyway, when I have this bonnet on, it's wig time. Wig company, Unice. Yo, look at the box. I'm so excited to open it right now. I'll give you guys over. Okay, I hope they sent us goodies. I mean, they always do. Why wouldn't they do it this time? Okay, we just gonna put the hair inside. And they got us some goodies. Let's see what Unice sent us. So we got a wig grip. It's like one of the lace ones, so that's really good. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is so cute. Yo, we got an edge grip. You see this? Yes. Yeah. Oh, no, they did. We got 2 lashes. Oh. Upside down. Look, 2 lashes. Look your lashes. Be right back. Then in here, is this a lipstick? You just giving out lipstick or something? What's going on here? Yeah. This is some. Did I just break it? Oh no. It's a part of it. Hold on. Okay, so this was. Okay. This is a makeup brush, y'all. Look at it. You see it? Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna get into this wig. Okay, so this is the wig, y'all. It's still in the net. See, it's still in the net. We should just take it off. Let's just take it off. We're gonna try a V-part wig. If you heard of it or have seen it, or is this gonna be your first time seeing it today, stay tuned because we're gonna get into this wig. It already is. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. you did it again. I really love this. I mean, look at the shine, look at the curls. My hair even blended well. I hope you guys enjoy the video.